Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fine, are doing okay. So today we are going to build, to program, to code, to write a, a Python, a keylogger on Python, alright? What's a keylogger? Keylogger is a software that it's used more for hackers to get keystrokes from its target's computer. All right, like they use to steal account information, login passwords, right? But it's not always illegal because there are some companies that use it on the IT departments to troubleshoot problems on the system and the network. Also, some companies use keyloggers to monitor their employed activities. All right, but well, let's go right away to the point. All right, the keylogger normally it's used by cyber criminal or a hacker, a black hat, to get the information from their targets, like credit card information, as I told before, login and password information. All right. Well, first I have here my PyCharm. All right. I don't know what IDE are you using, so I'm going to use PyCharm. Let's create another file, another script named Keylogger. Done. Well, what we are going to do next? First, we are going to use three libraries. All right. First one is smtplib because we are going to receive our keystrokes or logs on Gmail account. So we have to import smtplib. The second one is the subprocess. Subprocess is a library that it's used on Linux especially to use like efconfig. Then you can get it or MacChanger. If you build a MacChanger in Python, you can use subprocess module because it's going to call the information from the system. Say it means like it's going to take the command from the system and use it on what you have to do, all right, to give you some results. And we are going to import pinput key that pinput keyboard that this is going to help us to get, all right, and listen to the key that is pressed on the target computer. So just a second, please. My computer work here is calling. All right. So let's do it. First of all, import. Let me bring it close to me. That's better. Import smtplib. It's already there. And then import subprocess. Right. Now we have to do from pinput. Pinput. Okay. The keyboard. Well, there's no suggestions. Oh, yep. Keyboard. Import key and import listener. Here. Perfect. We imported the three modules we are going to use. So now we have to first start coding the email. All right, email, the password, and then the server, this SMTP server. So I will declare a variable email equal, and then sc9gmail.com. Password could be pass, but no. Password equal. Let me copy the one I just used here. Right. I don't remember because I created this account yesterday night. So now we're going to do server equal smtplib dot, and then Here we have some options like SMTP SSL. We have SMTP server disconnected and SMTP or SMTP port and others if we are going down here, right? We are going to use SMTP SSL, right? Because we are working with Google, so Google always use SSL certificate. So here, smtp.gmail.com, and then 465, that is the SMTP port, okay? And now we say server equal, server login, actually, sorry, login equal, no, server login, email, password. Perfect. All right. So now we are going to create a variable named full-log equal, oh Jesus, here. All right. Let me do it here. Perfect. This is going to be the variable we are going to use to count it. Okay. And then words. Yeah. Can be like that, and then perfect. Words is the variable that's going to receive all the key when they're pressed, okay? And then we have email char, email char limit equal. The char limit is how many characters we have to receive on the log to the keylogger, send it to our email. Like I will receive on my Gmail the log just when it gets 100 characters, right? So I'm going to use here 100. We could do like 200, but it's going to be too long and take too much time. So let's do it 100. Now we're going to create a function def on press, okay, here, and key. The key is the keyboard, right? So we're going to create a global words because this is going to be global, all right? Global full-log global email char limit. Okay, now we have to create an if example. If the key that's pressed on the target's computer it's space or enter, we are going to add this to our word list. All right, log. Second, some guy who just hit the car on Saturday. Well, so let's do it. If key equal key dot space or key equal key dot enter, we are going to add this to our logs. Okay, so it will be like that: words plus equal, and then here. Okay, let me open a space here. Perfect. Now we have to add this to our log. Okay, our log file or logs document has to be added the keys pressed. So full log plus equal words. Okay, it's going to add the words to our log. All right, here is the increment equal. It could be like equal full log plus or plus words to add, but let's do it in a faster way. Now words equal here is going to receive the words. Okay. Now we have to do another if. Why? Length for length, size, full log. Oh. Just pay attention here. Full log is bigger or equal char limit. It's saying to me like, all right, if the full log characters I have, it's equal or bigger than char limit 100, I'm going to receive this. All right, send log. All right, I could send the log. It's going to be on red line because red underscore, because we have to create a function later. All right, so for now let's keep just like that. So now we have to say full log. It's going to send the full log. All right, here, done. Well, it's back here, back here. Now we have to do an elif. Elif key equal key dot shift underscore L, or key equal key dot shift underscore right. It's saying like, yep, I add another one here. Here I'm saying, all right, if my key it's equal key shift L from the left side, or if the key pressed it's equal key dot shift from the right side, I'm going to receive something. All right, it's going to return to me something. So just return, nothing else. And then another elif, because we have to treat the ask, right? When the ask is pressed or the backspace is pressed, we have to deal with that. So elif key equal key dot backspace, then words equal words, and then open this is all right, this is -1. All right, so always when I press backspace, I'm going to delete the last char, the last character. All right, so perfect, we tried this. Now we are going to do else. Why else? Because the characters after press, when they are not backspace, they're going to be the legit characters like I, R, A, T, U, W. All right, so char equal F, here open, and then key. It's going to receive this char, is going to get this key over here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's do it. I'll just press here. So char equal char 1 here. Perfect. This is going to count, and then it's going to, okay, I will take the backspace, and then I'll put the char, the word. All right, so words plus or equal char. Okay, perfect. Now we are done with this. Now we have to deal, as I told you guys, with ASCII and ESC. So if key equal key dot ESC is going to return false. Okay, Now it's the main part. It's not the main part, but another important part that we are going to create the function named send log for us to receive this log on our mail, right? Def send log here. Perfect. Now we're going to say server dot send. We have when you use server, that it's registered over here, right? We have these options. So here we are going to say server dot send mail. That is the second option, right? Send email. Then enter. Inside this, we're going to say email full log. All right, that is going to send the log to us. Now we are going to use the listener we imported the module, so we are going to use with listener on press, right, equal on press. It means with listener on press equal pressed as listener is going to listener dot join. It's going to join the characters to form the words. It's like that the computer works. It gets each character, each key you press on the keyboard, and join it to create a word. All right, so let's save it and let's try it. I'm telling you guys in advance that's going to give us an error. Why? Because we have to give some permission on Google account. Here, username and password not accepted. Why? Let me show you guys something. Let me delete that. Here, that's from yesterday. So let's see if I receive this. No, I probably deleted also. So let me close it. And let's start. Try again. I'm going to give the same error, right? So let me see if I receive that. Well, I'm not receiving it. I don't know why actually. But anyway, for this to work well, we have to go in the account, manage your account, and then security, and then here, less secure app access. Google can give you permission to use your account to receive and send a mail in less secure apps or third-party apps. It's off. All right, let's turn it on. I turn it on. Now it allows, right? So I received actually the alert, critical alert here. Okay, we'll turn it on. All right, so let's close it. I'll delete that too. Let's try again. Clear and run. All right, looks like it's working. So I tried to access yahoo.com homepage right here. No, I don't want this. Let's do facebook.com. facebook.com. As 9@gmail.com. Of course, it doesn't exist. All right, this 1 2 3 4 5 at AWSX. Login. It's not going to work because I don't have an account of this. All right, so let's try yandex.com. If I open the notepad and type anything over there, also works. Let me see something here. This is a video to YouTube about a keylogger. We received already, actually, if you guys can see here, we received the log here. Oops, it's empty. Why empty? Strange. So let me see something. Login, let me try again. Strange, why it's empty? Well, let me see again here. Login. Just a second. This is a nice video for you too. It's just for educational. Let me see. Yeah, I'm receiving it in blank, so let me see what's going on here. Alright, full. Let me close this, and this will be okay. This two, this two, this two. Right, so should work actually. Let's see what's going on. Let me see here. Idle. Let me work with idle for a second. Idle 3.9 should work. Yeah, it worked. So open. I'm going to open the file on my idle. Alright, I'm just preserving my security. You guys understand probably, right? Okay, documents, courses, my Python, okay, here. What? Let me stop it here. Let me kill it. Alright. So SMTP. What? What the heck? Open. What the fuck's going on here? Just a second, guys. I need to open it on idle. Okay. So here we are. Import process. SMTP process. Alright, SMTP. And just for you guys to see. Idle. Idle 8. No. Idle. Idle 7. Open it. Oh my goodness. This happens in the end of the video, so I'm not to delete this video to redo it again, alright? Because a simple error. Okay. Logger. Alright, so just for you guys to see that here. Right. Here's the old password I had on the email. Let me see again. Second, who is that? I don't give a fuck. Also don't give a fuck. So yeah, SMTP lead process input. Alright, should be okay. 100 char limit. Char limit. The key if right if char limit. If she land full, alright, bigger. Okay, equal send full long. Okay, and then Elif. Okay, so I'm going to run this one over here. I'm just going to change the password to see what is happening there. I have to see what's going on. Yeah. Run module. Import key, no module name input. Input. Named. This is something. Event line. This is nothing. So let me try again. Rerun. It looks like it's working perfect. So it's strange. I'm going to delete all this. Let me try something. Alright. Totally aleatory. Let me see if I receive and yeah, right here. Because I opened the space over here, right? So it should be just single quotes and close. Don't need to give some space inside, all right? Because I'm not going to send it for you. Well, sorry guys for this small problem, but this is the video how, and you can see we're going to receive the logs on your computer. So let's try it again on Gmail, right? c9@gmail.com, and then the password 123456 at AEXTB. Okay, login, and then authorization here, same thing. Yandex gmail.com login. Well, let me see if we receive anything new here. No, because I didn't get the 100 characters. You can set up it with a smaller amount of characters. So this is the end of the video, right? So here you guys can see here, right? Why didn't it appear Facebook? Because we didn't type in Facebook, right? So we get the email, and then the key here. The key is like the tab, because I pressed tab and I didn't work on tab solution. So, and here is the password, all right? And then we can see here Yandex is the same password I used to email, I used to here, Yandex, all right? So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. So if you like it, just subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, give them some like, and that's all. See you guys on the next video. Bye.